the normal replace operation. And also we have something called as replace all, where we can use a regular expression pattern to find matches into a string and replace all those matches with some other word or other character. So let us understand these concepts by using some examples. Let us take str1, which is equal to something like this, and in this string we have something called as 1 2 3 4 that's getting repeated multiple times. So wherever we have this 1 2 3 4 inside the string, we want to replace it with another string. Let's take it as str3, and that is I, the letter I. So what we want to do is, in this str1, wherever we see 1 2 3 4, that 1 2 3 4 we want to replace it with the word I. Let us show the output in the console. The way it will work is str1 dot replace find str2 and replace it with str3. Now the same thing will work for character and strings. So if you say I want to find a character, replace it with some other character, or find a string, replace it with some other string, both will work similarly. So in this case, when we run the program, we get the output as concentration improves with practice. So wherever you have this 1 2 3 4, that got replaced with the letter I. So simple replace, provide what do you want to find, that exact string will be found and replaced with a new string. If there are no occurrences of str2 in the string, then it will not replace nothing. Nothing will get replaced with the new string. If there is at least one occurrence, then that will get replaced. Okay. So simple replace. Then we have a replace all also, where a regular expression patterns matches will get replaced with a new string. So for that, let us take str4, which is equal to something like this. And what we want to do is, we want to find all the special characters in the string. All the special characters like exclamatory mark, @sign, hash, anything that is apart from capital A to Z, small a to Z, 0 to 9, and space. We want to find all that and replace all those with nothing. Like just remove those, replace all those with open close double quotations, nothing. And it's as good as we want to remove all the special characters from the string. So for this, let us create a pattern that matches the special characters. It will be, as I said, anything apart from capital A to Z and small a to Z, 0 to 9, and also we want to skip the spaces, so not a space. So anything which is not a capital letter or small letter or 0 to 9 or a space, that will get replaced with whatever we want to replace it with. So we want to remove it basically. So the way it will work is str4 dot replace all. We will use this particular method, and the regular expression pattern is this, and we want to remove it basically. So we will say replace it with nothing, just open and close the quotations. And when we execute the program, we'll get output something like this. Either you control your mind or it will control you. And in this str4, originally all the special characters got removed, basically got replaced with nothing. So two simple methods, replace and replace all. Again, very simple and very useful.